In this grade 10 economics video, we are looking at the 2025 October-November preparations for your final examinations. We are looking specifically at the paper 1 for your economics, and this is going to be the exam scope. So with the exam scope, we are basically outlining what are the topics that you are going to need to study to make sure that you are prepared to write your paper 1. So this is the list of them and what to study under each and every single one of those topics. Your economics paper 1 question paper is divided into two main topics. The first one being macroeconomics. Under macroeconomics, the first thing you're going to cover is basic economic problems, under which you will have to make sure that you have studied elements of economics, branches of economics, methods of economics, the scarcity problem, which is the priority topic, the basic process, and the promotion of violation of human rights and the environment. The second topic under macroeconomics is the circular flow and quantitative elements. Under each, you have to cover circular flow diagram, the participants in the closed and the open economy, the markets in the circular flow, the flow of the variables, and then you also have to look at the leakages and the injections in the circular flow, and then you will end everything off with the GDP and the GNI. So that is the gross domestic product and the gross national income. The third topic under macroeconomics is business cycle, under which you have to start by being able to define the business cycle. You have to be able to give the indicators of the business cycle and then specifically look into the South African business cycle, then do the time series composition and look at the cyclical patterns, and then be able to differentiate between exogenous and indigenous reasons, and then look at the effects of the business cycle lastly. Economic pursuits is the second main topic. Under it, you have to cover economic growth and development, which also includes globalization. For this one, I would recommend that take a screenshot because it includes quite a number of things. We are looking at early economic development, the evolution of market, the government and the regulation of markets, as well as industrial development. But under each one of those, you can see we have some things that are included in there, so take a screenshot. Then the second topic under economic pursuits is population and labor force. Under it, you have to make sure that you have covered population size and growth, natural growth rate, the demographic cycle, the projected population growth rate, the South African labor force, age distribution, the numbers, the unemployment, as well as geographic distribution. So this is the last topic that you will have to cover under your economic pursuits. Section A of your question paper will be a mix of everything that falls under macroeconomics and economic pursuits. In section B, you will have question 2, which will be macroeconomics, question 3 will be economic pursuits, and question 4 will be a mix of both. You will be required to answer only 2, so you can choose either macroeconomics and the mix or economic pursuits and the mix. It will be up to you. And then in section C as well, you will have 2 essays. One will be from macroeconomics and the other will be from economic pursuits. Have YouTube recommend you more of my videos, be sure to click the like button and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below.